Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just lost my train of thought. Let me start over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brick K here. I'm just going to show you guys this hair that I got from WowAfrican. Right here. I'm just going to say right now that I like this hair. To be honest, I really like it. It did need a little customization, but I like it. So let me just get right into the video so y'all can see, okay? Okay, y'all. So I know it look crazy, but let me show y'all the inside of this wig. I did cut it myself. I already cut it. Well, I've been wearing this wig for 2 weeks, right? So I did make a video already, but I'm making another one because I didn't like that footage. Here you guys go. So the inside has a really sweet elastic band for one. Like, you can adjust it like this. It has 3 different levels you can adjust it by. Also, you can take the elastic band off if you don't even want it. Like that. And then this is sewed in. Also, I don't like how this is sewed in right here because I really need it right here. Because this covers my ears. My head is really small, but you can adjust it like that. Just clip it back on. Then also, they have 2 clips on the sides, right here, and then 1 clip in the back. And this is that's how far it go. Okay. So I did do a shedding test, but this hair is already combed out. It's minimum shedding, like barely none, to be honest. It's no shedding. I do like this wig. I'm gonna say that. I do like it. Look at it. Okay, still no shedding. Nothing for real. But I did have to bleach the knots again. So, also I'm not wearing a wig cap. So this is just my scalp. Like, I'm not wearing a wig cap. But my my cousin and I did have to re-pluck this because it was like, it was really dense. It was really dense, kind of like on the ends right here. But yeah, it's better now. But yeah, we did have to re-pluck it a little bit. So that's what we did. But everything else was perfectly fine. But, I mean, I would say a lot of wigs and stuff need a lot of tweezing and stuff like that. But, yeah. Amen. It came in this silky thing, right? So cute. So you could just store your wig in this and it'll be fine. Also, say Merry Christmas. Maybe. Oh, I say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Maybe because I ordered it in January, so the beginning of January at that. And then also this is just a little pamphlet talking about hair maintenance and stuff. And then this is a couple of their people who did YouTube videos for them. I know a couple. You guys might know a couple of them. Okay, yeah. So this is just hair maintenance and stuff. Also, talk about tips of maintaining curly hair. And then it shows you guys how to earn money for them. Which brings me to this card. Their cash back. So it's basically saying you get $30 cash back when you make a video on YouTube to show and tell with the hair. And then basically just saying you have to include WowAfrican in the name of the title. You have to put in the descriptions what type of wig you got, the bundle link to the wig that you bought, and then link to the original website. And then the video also has to be at least 5 minutes, which this video is. So I will be. So what, should I email them my video? Or will they contact me? I don't know. So I ordered this wig on January 8th. Okay, so I ordered the wig January 8th, right? And so then they like, it's gonna take 15 to 20 business days in order for me to get it. So I'm like, okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna just keep wearing my wig. So the other wig that I had on. So I ended up taking off the other wig I had on January 17th, and I put box braids in my hair. So January 8th to the 17th is only 9 days. So I'm like, okay, I still got a little bit more time before my wig come. So the next day, January 18th, after I put my braids in my head, I had an email saying I had a package at the front desk. And I'm just thinking, like, I know this is not my wig. I just know it. Like, I literally just put the braids in my head the day before. So I'm like, bro, I know this is not my wig that just got here. I could have waited one more day. Anyways, the wig came in a week and 3 days. So 9 days. No, 7, 8, 9. So the wig came in 10 days, basically. Which is not bad at all. Considering they had to, like, customize it. I don't know. Anyways, the wig came in 10 days. Now let me tell y'all the details on the wig. This wig is called 360 Lace Wig, 180 Density, Silky Straight Indian Hair. Okay, the length, this is 16 inches, which goes to right here, right underneath my boob. Let's see, turn around. Okay, so the wig is 16 inches, color is natural color. Cap size is small, which is 21.5. And then the lace color is light brown. Let me move it over a little. Lace color is light brown, bleach knots, which it only got the front 2 to 3 inches bleached. And then also I didn't tell you I re-bleached it, right? Okay. Anyways, I got 2 to 3 inches bleached, extra elastic band, and that's it. That's all the information about the hair. So I like it. You're gonna need to do a little customization, but that's with most wigs that you buy. Also, look at it. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you give me a like if you like this video. Subscribe and leave me any comments, and I'll answer Leave me any questions in the comments, and then I'll answer them for you. And that's it. Bye. And she was popular way before. Hey Sam, I'm sorry to